back. It's your girl Masai once again. I'm here, I'm back, and I'm getting ready to do just my quick makeup tutorial, like my everyday, not everyday, like whenever I have an occasion. This is like my basic makeup tutorial that I always do. Like I always do like literally the same thing every time. So I already did my eyebrows, clearly, and like I said in my last video, like it is so hard to get your eyebrows even for me when they're not done. So like if like one looks a little different, like I tried, like it is what it is, and that's just that on that, period. But if you want to see me do this makeup, I hope my lighting is good. I feel like I look white, but as long as y'all can see what I'm doing, I hope that y'all can understand my heart. Because yeah, let me try to change it. Yeah, that looks, yeah, that's a little better. I think I like that. But anyways, if you're interested in this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so that you're notified every time I post a video. I'll see y'all in the next clip. And what I'm starting to learn about this camera is that like it literally shows everything, every little flaw, every little pimple, bump, anything. Like, so like you gotta look good coming on this camera because it really will expose you. It really will. Like, let me wipe my lips because my jaws be looking nasty. Anyways, so I'm gonna start by doing my eyeshadow. And I'm using the Revolution makeup, and I'll put it in the description box below if you can see that. And then I don't know if I'm gonna use this Anastasia one. This is like it's dirty. It's been in my makeup bag. Like this is like hair products on it, so like don't call me dirty. And yeah, this is my ghetto makeup bag. Like I had a makeup bag, but I could never like fit everything in it. That's why like I've always used this, because like I literally have everything in here. So I'm about to just start by doing my eyeshadow, and then I'll just take you through. So I'm gonna go in with the color Irreplaceable, and it's this one right here. Very basic nude. I mean, it's not nude, it's like a dark, like a light brown. Now I'm gonna go in with this Fawn LA Pro Girl concealer, just to lighten up my eyes just a little bit, like right here. Cause I'm gonna add some shimmer right in there. Like so. Just like throw it on there, honestly, because it's gonna get covered by the shiny eyeshadow. So then you're gonna need like a hard tip, not hard, but like I don't like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so I can't really like say, but like just something that's firm so that you can like get the color, I mean get the shine, and then be able to rub it in, and then use a and then get a smaller brush like this for the crease, I mean for like in here. And now I'm gonna go in with the color Fetch. This is gold up in here that like I literally demolished. doesn't matter like if it's not like even for me personally, because I'm gonna put lashes on so you're not gonna be able to see it, and like my eye is creased. Another reason why my lips are dry. They're always dry. And then I'm gonna go in with the crease. And this has like always been my like signature look. Like I've always done this. Okay, so these are the lashes I'm getting ready to put on. I've already worn these before, and I think that these are the box for them. It says Fox Mink 3D multi-layer effect, because like if I just have like my lashes laying around, like I'll just put them in a box so they don't get like messed up. So I think these are it. So don't quote me if they're not, but these lashes are like super bomb. They're super thick. Not thick, but like I like my lashes very full, you know. And like I said, I've worn these before and I cleaned them off and everything. So I'm getting ready to apply this duo glue. Still trying to focus on me, but anyways, y'all know the duo glue. And then yeah. And everybody know who wear lashes, their lashes take a long time to dry. Because if you put them on too soon, they're gonna be sliding all over the place and it's just gonna be a mess. So I hope these are done. And then you want to use these to like clamp it down, and like, yeah, I know I can still see the glue, but that's like gonna dry. And like I said in one of my old videos, like if you don't know how to put on lashes, like you gotta like put it up at an angle and then lay it down on top. You can't come straight at it because like your eye is like a curve. So then you want to use your tweezers to like press it down. And then I've already put the glue on the other lash, so it's sitting here, so like I can just like apply it. Shout out to Darcy, period. And I do not have my finisher spray. Like I use the Mario Badescu, something like that. Like I use that to just like make me look like I'm glowing. But since I don't have that, I don't have anything on my face. Like I don't have any foundation or concealer on my face. Like this is like just my skin. So I'm just going to go in with a little coconut oil. Just a little bit, because like a little goes a long way with coconut oil. And then rub that in, put some on my lip, and that'll give me this like little shimmer look. Let me put just a little more. now that that looks good, my lashes are on. And now I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated, and I'm gonna use this for my highlighter and on my nose like this, like so. Get a little shimmer on the nose, get under the eyebrow, like so, under this eyebrow, little shimmer, top of the lip, and that just make it looks like it's right there, of course. And then fade it a little bit. It's a little shiny everywhere. And that is it. That if you are interested in this look, tag your girl, post it. Like, I really need to get my eyebrows done, y'all. Like, this is sad. But yeah, thanks for tuning in.